Going on, guys, let's see how we can find the x bar of this diagram using calculus method. So the first thing we have to do is we have to find the area of this one. To find the area, we have this equation that a is equal to integration a to b f of x, that is top function. In the top function, that is minus x squared divided by 6 plus 2x, minus the bottom function, that is half x. So bottom function dx. So this is the equation we are going to use to find the area. Here we know the limits of integration. This is going from 0 to 9. So our limits of integration is going to be 0 to 9. 0 to 9, and f of x is going to be top function, that's negative x squared divided by 6 plus 2x minus g of x, that is the bottom function, that is half x, right? Half x dx. So now we have to simplify this one. So let's go ahead and simplify. 0, 9 minus x squared divided by 6, and here if you look at this one, 2x minus half x, that's going to be 1.5x. 1.5x, we can write that one as 3 by 2x, right? 3 by 2x, same thing. So here we have dx. Now we can do the integration. If we integrate this one, we get negative x cubed divided by 18 plus 3x squared divided by 4, right? 3x squared divided by 4, going from 0 to 9. And let's substitute the values and see what we get. So first of all, let's continue this one right here. Okay, so first we have negative x cubed divided by 18 plus, let's substitute 9 first. So 9, so if we substitute 9, this is going to be 9 cubed plus 3 times 9 square divided by 4. So here what I can do is this one, I can separate this one into minus 9 times 9 square, right? 9 square, and here I can separate this one into 2 times 9. 18 is same as that, and here we have 3 times 9 square divided by 4. So 9 cancels, we left with this one, and also we can take 4 as our common denominator. So if I take 4 as our common denominator, this is going to be multiplied by 2. So negative 2 9 square divided by 4 plus 3 times 9 square divided by 4. So 3 minus 2, that's going to be 1 times 9 square. So that's going to be 9 square divided by 4. That gives us 81 divided by 4. So this is our area. So this is our area. Now we are going to use this one to find the x bar. That's the main question, right? Find the x bar. To find the x bar, we have to use a different equation. That is 1 over a integral a to b x times f of x, that is top function, minus g of x, bottom function, dx. So top function is as this one, bottom's this. So 1 over a is going to be simply flip of this value right here. That's going to be 4 over 81. And it's going from 0 to 9. X times, the top function is negative x squared divided by 6 minus x squared divided by 6 plus 2x minus half x dx. So let's continue this one right here. So here we have 4 over 81 going from 0 to 9, and let's multiply everything by x. So the first one is going to be negative x cubed divided by 6, right? The next one is going to be, so we can do the same thing like we did before. Let's do the multiplication first. Let's do the simplification first and then do the multiplication. So here we have x right here, and this is going to be x squared divided by 6, and 2x minus half is going to be 1.5x. We can write that one as 3 by 2x. So this is going to be 3 by 2x dx. Now let's multiply by everything by x. So this is going to be 4 over 81, 0 to 9. If I multiply this one by x, this is going to be minus x cubed divided by 6 plus 3x squared divided by x, 2, 3x squared divided by 2 dx. Now we can integrate this one. If we do the integration, this is going to give us 4 over 81 negative x power 4 divided by 4 times 6, that's going to be 24. 24 plus 3x cubed divided by 3 times 2, that's going to be 6, going from 0 to 9, right? So let's substitute the 9. Let's substitute 9 and see what we get. Before I do that, maybe I can cancel this one. 1, 2, right? So we have this one right here. So let's do the substitution. So this is going to be 4 over 81. If I substitute 9, this is going to be 9 power 4 divided by 24 plus 9 cube divided by 2. And if I substitute 0, that's just going to be 0, because 0 times power 4, that's going to be 0. 0 divided by anything is 0. 0, all of them are 0. So 4 over 81. So here what I can do is I can separate this one into two parts, like 9 times 9 cube, right? And bottom we have 24. If I take 24 common denominator, this is going to be 12 times 9 cube divided by 24, right? So let's do the simplification. 4 over 81. So 12 minus 9 is going to be 3. So 3 times 9 cube divided by 24, right? And here I can do one more thing. I can cancel this one. 1 over 6, right? So let's use a different color. 1, 6, and here cancel this one. 1 over 6, and then I have to cancel this one too. Let's see. So 1 over, I can write this one as 9 square, and also this one is going to be 3 times 9 times 9 square, right? Same thing, 9 square times 9 is going to be 9 cube. So I can cancel this. Also we have a 6 right here. 9 square cancel, and we have 9 times 3 is 27 divided by 6, and that's going to be our x bar. So x bar is going to be, x bar is equal to 27 over 6, and that's equal to 4.5. So that's the value of x bar. So that is our main question, right? Find the x bar. But if you want to find the y bar, you can use a different equation. That is, y bar is equal to half, first 1 over a to b, half times f of x square minus g of x square dx. So this is the equation you have to use if you want to find y bar. But here we only try to find x bar, and we found it already. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.